further extending the custodial period to the controversial pastor Paul Mackenzie and his co-accused for a period not exceeding 47 days. What this means is that to begin from the 2nd of August, this gentleman and all his people are going to spend a little more time in jail. So to begin from the 2nd of August, the defense lawyer Wycliffe Makasembo, however, has lamented his frustrations from the state, arguing that he has not been allowed to hold interviews privately with his clients, and therefore this threatens to interfere with the investigation process if that order fails to be implemented. Let's have a look at what this legal situation looks like.
He came to court this morning hopeful that he would be let go on bail. But his hopes faded after the court granted the prosecutor's prayer to hold Mackenzie and his co-accused for longer. Appearing before the senior principal magistrate Yusuf Shikanda, the respondents would either be released with no restrictions, with provisions, or get a continued remand.
Shall be remanded in custody for a further period not exceeding 47 days from 2nd August 2023.
A continued remand was part of the prosecutor's applications before the court, which sought 47 more days to continue detaining Mackenzie and his co-accused, quoting that some of the respondents had went through radicalizations and if released, that would interfere with the recovery process. That to some, identification parades are yet to be completed following various challenges, and that the nature of investigations has kept on evolving.
The material tendered by the state reveals that most of the respondents left their homes for Shakahola with the intention of never to return to their rural or other homes. Given the nature and gravity of the matter, I do not think it would be prudent for this court to release the respondents without doing a background check of where they expected to go.
Preliminary findings by the prosecutors has showed that most of the respondents are members of the Good News International Church, with whom most of their family members were rescued from the Shakahola cult, with more details indicating that all the respondents had hailed from different parts of the country to reside at the Shakahola forest. The respondents will be held at the Shimo, Letewa and Malindi GK prison, where the prison officers will be required to grant access to the investigators for purposes of conducting further interviews and recording statements. This, however, did not sit well with the pro bono defense lawyer Wycliffe Makasembo, who cited that the state has since frustrated him during the case process and now wants private interactions with his clients or else interfere with the prosecutor's investigations processes.
I want to have private interview or session with my client. They are very sensitive issues.
Mackenzie, who has already been held for over 90 days, is being accused of being behind a cult that taught his followers to fast to death before burying their bodies at the expansive Shakahola forest. So far, 425 bodies have been found in the graves, with Interior CS Professor Kithure Kindiki promising severe action on Mackenzie and company.
Dhambi kubwa ninayofanya duniani hivi leo mimi ni kula.
Paul, GOtv 47, Mombasa.